So this is verse 48. I gave a title of this verse, Pride Destroys Everything. So this is the verse, Sanskrit verse, chapter 29 of 10th canto, verse 48. Tasham tat sobaga madham vikshya manam chakeshava prashamaya prasadaya tatrevantar diyata. As a translation of this Sanskrit shloka. Sri Keshav, name for Krishna, seeing the gopis so very proud of their good fortune, wanted to take away their pride and show them more mercy, so he disappeared. And Prabhupada translated, Krishna is known also by the name of Keshav. He could immediately understand that the gopis were proud, and that their pride was caused by their great fortune of enjoying Krishna personally. In order to show him his causeless mercy to the gopis and curb their false pride, he immediately disappeared from the scene. And one more translation. Seeing the gopis intoxicated over their good fortune, Krishna favors them by suddenly disappearing from them to reduce their pride. Krishna favors them by suddenly disappearing to reduce their pride. You can imagine if you have some beautiful friend and all of a sudden they stop communicating with you and you feel proud. Oh, I am so fortunate. This beautiful girl is my girlfriend, or this beautiful friend, or whatever. Then all of a sudden, I called and the phone's turned off, and they're not responding. And then you feel, oh, what happened? So this is what's happening here.